Hi David.
Hello.
Hi, we've had your Jag in today. This is, I think, close to my record. We had 15 fault codes coming up. It's felt a bit sluggish. You've had actuator fault, you've had a block DPF, you've had the VNT mechanism sticking, the EGR was showing up, there was an O2 sensor fault. So we agreed what we'd do is we'd start by doing a Hydroflow treatment. And then we'd regen it and we'd see what's what. So I've been for a really long drive, about 20-30 miles. There's not a single fault code on it. You've come back, you've jogged back here, and you've gone for a drive. Yeah, what do you think?
It feels brand new. What used to be obviously diesel engine with a bit of a chug is just so quiet, smooth, and the pickup now is absolutely fantastic.
Good.
So quick.
Yeah, we saved a few pennies as well doing that.
Well, yeah, save the turbo. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Do it once a year when you get it serviced.
Yes.
And you'll keep it feeling like this.
Wow.
So it's quite miraculous.